friends do.
A very rare occasion we are witnessing now. Is that a cup we see being stirred?
So I'll get filming that.
I think
Just gonna get milk in here.
it is. I think it's got milk. Did we see milk? We saw milk. The milk's now being poured into a cup.
Milk in yours.
Do you have milk in yours?
You ain't put milk in my green tea.
How much?
You muppet, he's put milk in my green tea.
I said milk. Only put a spot in.
It's a look of confusion.
Back it up.
Gavin, you've still got the shutter on.
I don't believe he's put milk in green tea.
Sweetheart found that film off.
Come on, why do you always have a saucer of tea when you
Because
make
Gavin
a
was
tea?
filming it, all been
Are you
filmed.
always allowed a tea and saucer?
It's another complaint. Milk in a saucer and green tea
That's money.
with milk.
So, look here.
If you get tea in the saucer,
If that was Gladys, Lynn's mother.
As we now approach the green tea with milk. What an idiot.